Hey my lovelies, so this here that you're seeing is essentially how the cookbook looks on your phone. So if you go to mutulu.co.uk, you can download the cookbook, Cook with Mutulu, and have it immediately sent to your phone. So here you can learn an array of alkaline recipes. I have so many, I have over 100 recipes in this cookbook, including beverages, desserts, sauces, all of that jazz. So go and get your book via mutulu.co.uk. Take care, my lovelies. Hey, I'm back again. Now, I'm aware that some of you would like to have this cookbook in print form because you're traditional. I get it. You want to feel it, have it in your hands, right? So if you head to eattolivenottoDie.com and use the code Mutulu, all in capitals, you can get 10% off the physical print of Cook with Mutulu, okay? Take care, my loves.